Here we are at the AMX restoration project. It's even got the original right in the middle of removing the engine. It's not official yet, but it's pretty much out. How's that? So now we get to get in there and see what that clutch looks like. Awesome. Well, got the engine and transmission out, and the diagnosis on the clutch is no bueno. Well, freeze plug looks good. We move over here to the pressure plate. Probably gonna need a new one of those. That don't look good. Same thing with the clutch plate. I know it kind of looks decent from where you're from the you can see it's all shotsy. So the next project is going to be to go ahead and clean all this out. What a mess.